Hello everyone, this is Lena from Estonian Trader. First of all, sorry for not posting new videos for some time now. I've been busy with other projects and I'm currently working on setting up the Estonian Cryptocurrency Association. So exciting times are ahead. So, regarding this video, in this one I explain my 15-minute strategy in more detail. And I'll explain how to recognize patterns and how to recover your losses with martingaling. So this strategy is trading on reversals, so we're looking for the price to change direction in trend or just a small pullback in the opposite direction of the trend. The indicators I'm using are still the Bollinger Bands, RSI, Stochastic and CCI. And we're looking for extreme conditions in all of them. So in the Bollinger Bands, I want the candlestick to cross over the upper or lower Bollinger Band, depending on which way the price is going. If the price is going up, we're looking for a crossover in the upper band. If the price is going down, we're looking for a crossover in the lower Bollinger Band. In the RSI, we're looking for conditions where the RSI reaches 70 or higher when the price is going up, and 30 or lower when the price is going down. And in Stochastic, we're looking for a crossover in these two lines, either on the upper band or the lower one. And with CCI, we're looking for conditions where CCI is higher than 100, preferably even higher, so looking at 150 or higher. But I would never enter trade if CCI is lower than 100. And on the other side, we're looking for minus 100 or lower, or preferably minus 150 or even lower than that. So for example, conditions like these here and this one here. And in addition to this, you can also look for patterns. You can determine the support and resistance levels, and that is a level that the price has difficulty crossing. So for example, we've got a nice resistance level here. Let's draw a little line. So it becomes a support or a resistance level when you have two or more touches at the same level. So we've got some here. Let's see if we can find another support line. And previously has been a nice support level here. So how support and resistance works is, think of it as a ceiling and a floor. So the price keeps bouncing back from the same level. Once it crosses the resistance level, it then becomes behaving as support. So it still keeps bouncing back on the same level. So one of the patterns, for example, here's a double top. Let me zoom in. So you can see that the price was on an uptrend previously, and then it reached a double top. So that means that the price is gonna change course. So it's testing these levels and the buying power is stopping. So that's why people are gonna start selling and the price is coming down nicely. And even stronger than a double top is a triple top. I might be able to find some in the charts later. It also works in the opposite direction. So when the price is on a downtrend and you see a double bottom, then it's very likely that the trend is going to change. And another thing that will help is determining the corridors of a trend to understand better how it might move in the future. So let me just draw some more lines here. For example, after this double top, the price is going downwards in this little corridor. So these are the places that I would be looking to start the trades. These were perfect conditions here. RSI was on 2480. It was a crossover in the Bollinger Band, and you can see that these lines indicate that there's going to be a small pullback. The price is probably going to continue downwards, but we can still do a trade of about 10 to 15 minutes here. Also, a good condition here, depending on where you start the trade, could have been a win, and an excellent condition here. So RSI was 25, crossover in the Bollinger Band, also hit this trend line, and the price did a bit of a pullback. So I will start a trade from 5 to 15 minutes, depending on how good the conditions are. And if the price continues going the other way, I will enter a new trade with a value of 2.5 times higher than the previous to cover my initial loss and also make a profit. And quite often you find that you can actually win both and get even higher profits. So for example, I entered a trade at this point. The price moved even lower. I doubled up with a value of 2.5 times higher for 15 minutes, and as you can see, the price moved back nicely, and I ended the trade here and giving me a profit of $29. Okay, so now I'm gonna find some trades to take. I'm still using IQoption as my main broker, because I do like how accurate their price seems to be, and also I like their high returns on short-term trades. Depends on the time of day, but the maximum trade would be Australian dollar, Canadian dollar, goes up to 95%. Okay, so I'm gonna find some trades to take and we'll see it from there. As you can see, this strategy works really well. The only thing you need is patience. And also, I don't recommend doubling up your trades more than twice. So if you follow these simple rules, you'll be on your way to success. So the broker I use is IQoption, and it's the best place to start if you haven't got a lot of experience, as their minimum deposit is just $10 and the minimum trade is $1. So I recommend taking very small trades until you're comfortable with the strategy, and you can have a look at IQoption by clicking on the link on the screen, or also there's a link in the description below. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.